your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily.
Spaceship Birth Control.
For your safety,
Welcome
remain
aboard.
seated
On the
at
map
all
in front of
times.
you, please show us where
During
you're
your
from.
slow-moving
Your
journey,
birth
your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will...
Welcome aboard. On the map in front of you, please show us where you're from.
Now locate the monitor overhead to the right. Make sure
Our plans to sail through the universe of time, and for a brief moment, we reveal our presence. But where do we go? And what kind of future will we discover? Surprisingly, the answers lie in our past. Since the dawn of recorded history, we've been inventing the future one step at a time. So let's travel back in time together. I'll show you how our ancestors brought to the world we know today. And then it will be your turn to create the world of tomorrow. At this point, each civilization has its own form of writing, which none of the others can understand. But the Phoenicians, who trade with all of them, and the they created a simple common alphabet adaptable to this language. Remember how easy it was to learn anything? That's the Phoenicians. They invented the code.
Ladies and gentlemen, our time travels have been momentarily delayed. Please remain seated. Your time machine vehicle will begin moving again at any moment. Please remain seated. We'll resume our journey shortly. Thank you.
Comes mechanical technology and serves as the fine technology we enjoy today. Library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. It is It turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. The first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of beauty.
Ladies and gentlemen, our time travels have been momentarily delayed. Please remain seated. Your vehicle will begin moving immediately. Remain seated, please. Our travels are resuming now. There is
The solution? A workspace around this country. Young people with a passion for shaping the future put the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together we form super networks that go through billions of interactions. But once again, we stand on the brink of a new renaissance.
In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention, you are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers, please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention, you are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated. Attention travelers, please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. Preparation for your return to Earth. Your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention.
Ladies and gentlemen, our time travels have been momentarily delayed. Please remain seated. Your time machine vehicle will begin moving again at any moment. Please remain seated. We'll resume our journey shortly. Thank you.
For the first time in history, all of us can have a say about the kind of world we want to live in. The choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions for us. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready?
Oh, I meant the destination. Okay.
Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we haven't known about. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we haven't known about. And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Here in your future, getting away on vacation is a breeze. Your smart suitcase knows where you're going and what you need. And with solar power from your phone's fueling station, you're on. Don't worry about the house. A PDA with remote control can take care of anything you forgot. Vegetables. You will leave your country home in an ultra-light, ultra-powerful, totally networked family car that can take you anywhere. You've already planned a trip with your virtual travel agent. Hotels, check. Restaurant vibe, check. Guided tours, check. Getting there is half the fun, so your family car will be equipped with virtual tools to teach you about the world outside your window. An actual living room with real grass providing a natural carpet. You'll travel quickly and safely to places you can't imagine visiting today. Environment you prefer. And the moment you arrive at your ultimate vacation destination, you're out of this world. Into the future. Every day is Earth Day. The end. Or should I say the beginning of your future.
So here's to the next 30,000 years on Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I do know it will be quite an adventure. An adventure that we'll take and make together. See you in the future.